Hi everybody, it's Bill Cody, Vegas Bill on Twitter, and Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter, is behind the camera. Today, we're here at the unveiling of Sundance's new Airbus helicopter, which you'll be seeing in and around Las Vegas and going around the Grand Canyon. Take a look at the front. It has 3-person seating. And I heard it's also wider and quicker of the helicopters from the past. So this is their unveil to Las Vegas of their new Airbus helicopter for Sundance Helicopters. This is Vegas Bill, and 24K is behind the camera.
Yeah, they're French-designed helicopters. They're European, but
well, they're famous for that.
Yeah, they're manufactured.
No matter what they say, don't start it up.
He's trying to steal.
I know he. None of them recognize you. I have to point you out. Yeah. So you could